Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2 in the January 2023 Key to My Heart paper pumpkin kit. So I have my card base, I have my stamp set that I need with the hearts, and I need the saying that says love is the key. So I haven't mounted it yet on the block because I wanted to show you sometimes when you're putting these down, they bend a little bit, especially if the greeting is longer. So I just put it flat down on my desktop and then I just pick it up with the block. So there we've got that. Now, first thing we need to do, they're telling me, is that we need to stamp the hearts right on the front of the card. So let's get our card front out, or our card out. Okay, so we're going to ink that up like that. And we need some hearts here. Okay. And we need some hearts here. Okay, so we've stamped those right on there like that. I'm going to put the top back on the stamp spot for now. We need to take our vellum circle and we need to put the dots on it, some sticky dots, and we need to put one up to the side here, and then we need to put one down like that. And again, we place these so that, just like they say in the instructions, so that any glue dot is hidden, and it tells us that they go on like this. So let's just give that a push like that, and you can see the hearts just softly through the background. So the next thing we need to do is we need to stamp our love is the key. So let's do that. We're going to ink this up and pop this down. I'll just move that up, make sure that I'm in frame for you. So love is the key. We'll put that off to the side. Make sure that's all closed up nice and tight. So what's next? We need to dimensionalize these pieces here. So we're going to put 2 dimensionals on the back of each one, like this. Okay, and are we putting them down right away? Yes, we are. We're putting them down right away. Looks like this one goes just off center, like this. Okay, and then this one goes straight. Like this. Okay, and then we dimensionalize the greeting as well. So let's just pop that down like that. Okay. And this is going across the bottom of the vellum, lining it up with the bottom, which is a bit tricky, seeing as how nothing is straight except the edge of the card there. Okay, we need to take our key and we need to tie our baker's twine or linen thread around it like this, and we need to make a bow. So sometimes it's easier to do these things if it's already stuck down, but there we go. So there is the bow on the key like this, and it's going to go, I need it round like this because it needs to lay sideways. Okay, and I need to put an adhesive dot right here and right here at the bottom. Okay, now where do these stick down? Okay, the bottom of the key, it comes down onto the greeting, and the top of the key sits between the 2 locks like that. So there we go. There is our second project in the January 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Key to My Heart. So stay tuned for video number 3.